Stand by. Okay, you dropped one. Okay, 623. So that doesn't count, but not bad, not bad. Okay, charge it, holster, hands off. Maybe let's drop a patch on there. Okay. Just for reference, if anybody wants to download these, you can get them from my website, northidahofarms.com/training. And I have lots of targets on there you can download for free, this being one of them. And I think I need to move this because the sun is right over there. Let's see if this makes the video a little better. Looks like it sort of does. Okay. All right, bud, you ready? Okay, on the next camera run, we'll put the camera behind him and see how he looks here. All right, ready? Stand by. Okay, 669, and we dropped one. It's okay. Okay, load back up and then holster. Hands off. Okay, we're gonna try this from a little bit different here. All right, so it dropped on that one. Okay, not bad though, okay? We're gonna do one more run and then we're gonna check all your hits, okay? So we're gonna move it back over here. This might ought to be fun to see you from this way. All right, take your stance. Remember where you were? Right about there, okay? All right. Okay, get your good fighting stance. There you go. Okay. All right, you're loaded up, ready to go. Okay, let's get this one a scoring run, okay? All right, stand by. Perfect, drop that.